good afternoon, and good evening to you all. Today we are going to be teaching you guys how to make soya milk at home. As we know, soya milk is a very healthy drink. It's good for the body. It's good. It has a lot of vitamins and all of that. So let's begin. We soaked this soya bean for 12 hours. It was soaked overnight, 12 hours, then after which you wash.
Soya beans contains estrogen, progesterone, vitamin D, and it helps in prolactin production for breastfeeding mothers, and it also helps the human growth hormone. For all our ladies out there trying to grow their breasts, it can help in increasing the breast size.
So now we wash our beans to make sure the peels are out. Wash very well. When you wash, you drain the water, you drain the water, remove the shaft and all of that. After doing that, we proceed to the next stage. At this point, we are showing you how you can properly wash your soya beans to avoid any shafts remaining. So this is how you do it. When it's very washed, we proceed to the next stage. You see, keep watching. And let me use this opportunity to beg you, my beautiful people, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload something nice. So let's keep watching. Thank you as you do. So now our soya beans is properly washed. As you can see, it's very clean and ready for blending. So let's proceed with this stage, the blending stage. Can you see that is very washed? So you pour it into your blender. Depends on how much quantity your blender can carry. Pour as many as you want. And make sure you add lots of water in it. And then we blend. now we are done. This is the next stage, stage 3. We are done blending our soya beans, so we are going to filter it, because now is a paste. So we'll filter it with lots of water. That'll be enough for the cooking. So let's go. Let's filter. I'm using a small filter because that is what I have. And we're doing it twice. We'll filter. Then we add water into the shaft, mix together and filter again to make sure none of the milk is left over. And we'll filter it for the 3rd time with the smaller cloth filter. And that's it. Keep watching. Enjoy. So now we are pouring in water, more water to refilter, so as to make sure the milk is out completely. This is the 2nd stage of the filtration. Let's go. Yeah, from under. So now this is the final stage of the filtration. We're using a smaller, like a cloth, to separate the milk from the shaft. So this is it. We do this twice. Like, this is the first stage of this particular process. Then we refilter again with this same smaller the cloth filter. So after we finish this filtration stage, we get into the main final process, which is the boiling, the cooking process. Keep watching. Enjoy. And please don't forget, help us subscribe. Help us subscribe. We are just beginners. Thank you as you do. Lots of love. So that's the shaft. I don't know, you can throw it away or do whatever you want to do with it. So now we'll get into the next and the final stage, which is the boiling stage. Yeah, always make sure your heat is at the peak, the highest level when you are cooking soya milk. We cooked this soya milk for 1 hour. Although some people say they do for 45 minutes, some say 15 minutes, but this was cooked for 1 hour. Because if it's not properly cooked, it's bitter. It's not nice when it's not very cooked. So I would advise you to cook yours for as long as you can, and make sure that you had lots of water to get it properly cooked. So enjoy the video. Thank you for watching and subscribing to our channel. Finally, our soya milk is ready, and doesn't it look delicious? So at this stage, you add your sugar. You allow it to cool down first. Let it cool down. Add your sugar. Then you can pour it into a jar after adding your sugar. Then put it in your refrigerator. It depends on the temperature you like to drink it. So that's it. I think it's best enjoyable when it's very chilled. So this is the outcome. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Have a nice day. Ciao.